Hey, what's up, ladies and gentlemen? All right, so Papa Snow here. How are you doing? Show you what's going on here. So we are connecting the drainage. Make sure that everything can come out of this area. So a lot of drainage work we're doing. Redoing the auxiliary drainage here so that all of these lands can drain. We'll be putting additional drainage down this road here as we continue to repair. We do have to do the drainage inside all the way down the side of this roadway, build up this dam shoulder, do back drainage over there, as well as 2 other spots on the way down. Our operator is doing real good. Cleavy is his name. Good guy. So you see already all of the water that's sitting on that land is already starting to come off. That's bringing that fresh sediment. So as we do this drainage here, that's going to take all of this water off of the roadway. Right, and also relieve the pressure of the water buildup for all of the residents in these communities. And at the same time, we'll be building the road that we have coming in here, and it will continue forward. And now is the best time of the day to do this project. It's low tide now, so the tide is going out. You can see the tide moving. See the water running out. Betsy's getting good loads of mud here, right? That's a couple tons. A couple tons of dirt right there. 2, maybe 3 tons. You guys going out, you gotta wait on me. Watch. Good. That's safe to walk on? That's supposed to be safe to walk on. You're gonna put me over there on that corner. I'm hopping in the boat. You know what you gotta do here. Alright, so now I gotta take the elevator. Peter, the light. Peter, the light. Oh, food. Oh, candy. Oh, Peter, here. Hold on. Hold on. All of us kind of like these candies. Watch. Give it. We work for candy. Cleavy. Cleavy. Say what's up. You're live. Excellent operator, man. Excellent. Excellent guy. Okay, so you're gonna see when we're done, all of this is gonna be draining. It's gonna be draining all of this land. Okay, look here. You're gonna give this to the driver, the operator. Hold on. What's up? You want the phone and the plantain? What? You want the phone and the plantain, boy? I ain't got no place to put this, except I'm just kind of stick this in my pants. If y'all see things, hold on. Yeah, hang on. I gotta put everything in my pants, man. I'm like all like rubber down. 1 second before this elevator takes off. Protect everybody's stuff. What the hell was that? All right. Wait. Wait for Uncle Pito. Man. Make sure I hang on right. Before I take the elevator over. But I got things bulging out the front stuff. And in the back down with a pocket full of Jolly Ranchers. Right? Yeah. That's what they're splitting there, you know. Well, I can tell you, the water's draining fast already. Fancy elevator, you know. Now. Nah. Hold on. Oops. Bye. Yeah, hold on. I gotta get it a different disposition. Because this piece here, I would sink it. Right? Watch my fingers. Oh. Alright, let's see. This is seemingly a little bit better. Okay, so, ladies and gentlemen, once again, I've got to come off of this phone, right? Because getting through all of this here, I need both hands just in case I fall. All right? You guys take care. God bless.